Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring an easy way to earn passive income by sharing your internet connection and participating in surveys with Pawns.app. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to make some extra cash, stay tuned. Let's get started. What is Pawns.app? Pawns.app is an app that lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth and participating in surveys. It is a simple and passive way to generate income right from your device. With Pawns.app, you can make money in two ways, by sharing your internet connection and by completing surveys. It's perfect for those who want to maximize their earning potential. Getting started with Pawns.app is a breeze. First, head over to Pawns.app and sign up for a free account. You can also use a referral code to get a bonus upon signing up. After signing up, download and install the Pawns.app on your preferred device. This app supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Once installed, log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, Pawns.app will start running in the background, sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Additionally, you can opt to participate in surveys to earn even more. To participate in surveys, simply navigate to the survey section within the app. And start answering questions. It's that easy. How much can you earn? Your earnings depend on the amount of bandwidth you share and the number of surveys you complete. On average, users can earn a significant amount of extra cash each month. You can track your earnings in the Pawns.app dashboard. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can request a payout via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. Payments are processed quickly, ensuring you get your earnings without any delays. Is Pawns.app safe? Yes, this app is safe to use. The app doesn't access your personal data and the bandwidth is used for legitimate business purposes. Additionally, your internet traffic is encrypted, ensuring your privacy and security. And that's it! Pawns.app is a fantastic way to earn passive income by sharing your internet connection and participating in surveys. It is easy to set up and requires minimal effort on your part. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you tried Pawns.app? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.